So it's Friday, and in this industry, in this business, when it's cold out, there is no Saturdays and there are no Sundays for us. And I'm not complaining, but if you're at home and you're cold and your furnace goes out, you want someone to answer and you want someone to come and visit you. And that's what you expect, and that's what you want. If you are dealing with a good company and you're on their system, you're in their system, or you've got some kind of a deal set up with them, you're the first one that they're going to go see if there's an issue that you have that needs to be dealt with. If you're just calling random companies, they will still come and they'll do it as quickly as they can, but a lot of them don't work on the weekends. They're going to be a Monday to Friday type operation, 9 to 5. Well, a little more than that, not really 9 to 5, but they'll get to you. But with the more established, more organized type of companies, they're going to be the ones that will get back to you right away. Usually a live person will answer the phone when you call, and they also may have access to the parts that you might need a lot faster than some of the smaller operators. And I'm not in favor of big operators or small operators or anything in between. I'm just saying that there are different levels of service, and it really depends on who's in your area and what they're able to do for you. So, but anyway, I was just wanting to say that it's not really a 9 to 5, Monday to Friday job in the winter time or in the summertime. The rest of the season, maybe you could take a little bit more time off and go hunting or fishing or whatever you want to do. Take your vacation. So, stay comfortable, but please, stay tuned.